Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of three different Ottomans, actually an Ottoman and two mini Ottomans with the storage that this brand sent to me for the video. Something that I really like about these ones is that they come assembled. You don't have to do anything. It comes from the box. Actually, you just need to screw the legs. It's going to take you about 3 minutes, no more than that, but you don't have to assemble anything else, which I think it is really awesome. They come in multiple colors as well. And size-wise, this one is about 38 inches by 19 inches tall. And both of this one all of this actually comes with storage. I also have to say that they support 250 pounds. So that is really cool because you can use this one for two people. Let's say that you're in your living room and your couch is full of people. So you can use this one for a person to sit or two people to sit. And then you have the small one for like kids or children or something like that. Let's take a closer look. So they do come in multiple colors, as I was just telling you before. All of these ones have storage. So this is really cool, for example, to put magazines or something like that. And they have this really strong hinge, so they won't break easily going to the other side. So that is actually really cool. And they also have this legs, which has kind of like a rubber pad at the bottom, so they won't damage your wooden floor or something like that. This right here is kind of like a really nice cushion, I have to say, with high density foam. And the same thing with this one's really firm and high cushion as well. But I do like this gray one with the fabric. It has a really big storage over here for like pillows and blankets and everything. So that is actually really cool. They have that. And of course, there is the last one over here, which is going to complete the set of all three of them, which I really like. Easy assemble, up to 250 pounds, multiple colors, really nice fabric, and comfy and good cushion here as well. I like them all. I do recommend them all. Thanks for watching and see you soon.